weather on NBC 10 Boston. Boston's most accurate forecast.
All right, everyone, 11:17 on your Friday night. We got you caught up on some headlines. It is time for this guy to be the star of the show. Dude, I mean, we are all eyes on the forecast this weekend because even though it's, it sounds like there's going to be some spoilers out there.
Yeah, not a complete washout for the weekend, thank goodness. But, yeah, a little rain.
So we can still grill out. We can get out there, enjoy, make the
go
most
to the beach a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go outside right now. You'll see outside over Fenway and downtown. Really not a bad night out there. We have some clouds moving in. Your first alert weather headlines: some weekend showers, mainly on Sunday, and a couple of isolated thunderstorms. Labor Day, warm, sunny, low humidity, and a sunny stretch for next week. Let's talk about that Labor Day weekend. We've got the grill. That's what I was talking about. You see temperatures tomorrow at 79. Mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a sprinkle. Mostly wet weather coming in on Sunday. And then you'll notice mostly sunny for Labor Day with temperatures in the middle 70s. Right now we're in the 50s and 60s. You'll see 62 in Boston, 56 in Norwood, 61 in Worcester, and about 57 in Nashua. Now, as we go through the night, check out these dew point temperatures telling us we have some very nice air. Is comfortable outside. As you'll go and see through the rest of the forecast here, that low humidity early on in the day, but you'll probably start feeling it through the day and really through Sunday. More humidity out there. And we're going to also have that opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms. How about the beach forecast for tomorrow? For the islands and the Cape, we have temperatures in the middle 70s under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Our South Shore beaches, temperatures in the upper 70s, a southeast wind, about 10 to 15 miles an hour at times, and temperatures for the North Shore beaches mainly into the mid and upper 70s. High pressure has been doing its job. It's giving us this great weather for tonight and also blocking this weather from the west, at least for right now. The high will push further to the east, and that means we're talking about our next weather maker with this cold front. It will likely move in Sunday. Now, this is Saturday's forecast for severe weather. If you're headed westbound toward upstate New York and maybe even parts of Philly, Pennsylvania there, Jersey, just understand they have a higher threat for severe weather than we will. I think we will see the opportunity, at least, for maybe a stronger thunderstorm as we go through our Sunday afternoon. Big time severe weather still in question. It all really depends on the timing of the cold front. Here's a look at first alert futurecast for tonight. We have dry weather, no problems out there. Partly to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. A couple of little sprinkles, not out of the question, all right? But most of us will be dry here in the Commonwealth and southern New Hampshire. We go into Saturday night. Still, most of us are dry. Overnight into Sunday, we're going to have a round of showers that may move through, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Then we'll get a little bit of a break. A couple of showers, though, mid-morning for the Cape. There goes that break there. And then later in the afternoon, as the cold front actually starts crossing the area, we could have a stronger thunderstorm or two. I'm not talking about a lot of fanfare with it, but some strong gusty winds, some heavy rain, not out of the question before things are all said and done. And most of this activity is done Sunday night. We're clearing out to set us up for a decent day for our Labor Day. And you'll see how much rain we're talking about. The models have been all over the place. I will tell you that. Some models saying that we could see a little bit more wet weather, but we'll go about a quarter of an inch to a half an inch. Some areas will see more rain than others, and so we'll watch it. Otherwise, as you look at the next 10 days, your first alert 10-day forecast showing you that we've got some 50s on the way. Not for high temperatures, but for morning temperatures. Look at that, 54 for Tuesday morning, 57 going into Wednesday morning, 59 for Thursday morning. I know a lot of Boston public school students are going back to school then. Kind of a cool, chilly start as we begin the new year.